So okay, so next step is the calculate design strength. Calculate design strength due to rupture of critical section. Rupture of critical section. So rupture of critical section is nothing but TDN. Critical section, or we are saying the net section. So this N is for net section and design tensile strength. Now, which formula here we have to use? Think. As I have told you, the number of bolts are not given. So there are two formulas for TDN. One is beta and another one is alpha. Are you getting?
Alpha.
So
Alpha
go on the page number, IS code page number 33. There are two formulas of alpha and beta. If the alpha and beta, these two formulas are given, when the beta formula we are using for the number of bolts are given, and the alpha formula we are using number of bolts are not given. So here we have to use which formula? Alpha formula, because number of bolts are not given. So here alpha formula is given, alpha AN into FU divided by gamma M1. Are you getting? The TDN is equal to alpha AN FU divided by gamma M1. But and here AN we have calculated in step number 2. AN net area we have calculated in step number 2. But we have to take the value of alpha. So for that, assume, as I have told you, what we have to assume? Assume 4 or more number of bolts. 4 or more number of bolts. Now tell me alpha is equal to
0.8.
0.6.
what?
0.64.
No, I have written here 4 or more number of bolts. So alpha is equal to 0.6 when, alpha is equal to 0.7 when, and alpha is equal to 0.8 when. So these alpha's values are given on the page number 33 IS code. So when 0.6 value we have to take, when 7.7 and when 0.8. So before that we have to assume how many number of bolts that we have to assume. So I have assumed here 4 or more bolts. So what is the value of alpha? So go to page number 33. Everyone please go on the page number 33. तुम्ही तिथे गेल्याशिवाय तुम्हाला काहीच कळणार नाही. So you have to go on the page number 33 IS 800 2007. At the top right corner they have given the this formula, alpha formula. Everyone मला एकाकडून कोणी एकाने आन्सर नको, सगळ्यांना बघायला पाहिजे त्यांनी ते. At top right corner, this on page number 33, top right corner, this formula is given, and in this formula, below this formula, the alpha value is given 0.6, 0.7 and 0.8. So they have written 0.6 when, 0.7 when, and 0.8 when. For that we have to assume the number of bolts. So I have assumed here, or we have assumed, आपण सगळ्यांनी आता अजून काय केलं की अजून 4 or more bolts, म्हणजे त्या कनेक्शनला 4 किंवा 4 पेक्षा बोल्ट जास्त आहेत असं आपण अज्युम करतो इथं. सो इफ वी आर अज्युमिंग 4 or more bolts, then alpha is equal to. प्रत्येकाला समजते का? or shall I ask randomly? What is value of alpha here? 0.8. For 4 or more volt, here written 4 or more. This is 2, this is 3, and 4 or more. Correct? See, I am repeating here now. So on page number 33, this formula is given. TDN, alpha ANFU divided by gamma M naught. Now, when formula, this formula we are using if the number of bolts are not given. Number of bolts are not given in the problem statement, we are using this formula. So number of bolts are not given, so that we have calculated AN in step number 2. Now here we have to calculate the value of alpha, or we have to find the value of alpha. So how to calculate, find the value of alpha? पेज नंबर 33, पेज नंबर 33 वरती काय दिलंय तुम्हाला? त्यांनी दिलेलं आहे अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 0.6 कधी घ्यायचं जर 2 बोल्ट्स असतील तर, अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 0.7 कधी घ्यायची व्हॅल्यू जर 3 बोल्ट्स असतील तर. त्यांनी एका वर्डिंग मध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे बघा, ह्या फॉर्म्युलेच्या खाली अल्फा इज इक्वल टू ह्या व्हॅल्यू लिहिलेल्या आहेत आणि अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 8 लिहिलेलं आहे, 4 और मोर बोल्ट. मग आपलं टार्गेट काय, आपल्याला हे अज्युम करायचं आहे बघा, आपल्याला 2 बोल्ट्स आहेत असं अज्युम करायचं आहे, आपल्याला 3 बोल्ट्स आहेत असं अज्युम करायचं आहे, आणि आपल्याला 4 बोल्ट्स आहेत. कुठलंही अज्युम करू शकता. सपोज टीए रोल नंबर 5 यांनी अज्युम केलं की 2 बोल्ट्स, तर त्यांची अल्फाची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे? वो 0.6 असणार. सपोज टीबी 67 रोल नंबर यांनी काय केलं, अल्फा इज इक्वल टू सॉरी नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स एन इज इक्वल टू 3 अज्युम केलं, त्यांची अल्फाची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे? 0.7. जे अज्युम काही कराल नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स 2, 3, 4 because they have given directly. Assume 2 bolts, assume 3 bolts, or assume 4 or more bolts. So for 2 bolts 0.6, for 3 bolts 0.7, and for 4 bolts 0.8. Are you getting? So here what I assume, let me assume killer, assume 4 or more bolts. So alpha is equal to 0.8. Are you getting now everyone? Upon number of bolts we have to assume here. From the assumptions, our assumptions, we are using the value of alpha, and that is here 0.8, because here I have assumed 4 or more bolts, so that alpha is equal to 0.8. If I assume here 2, then alpha is equal to 0.6. If here I assume 3 bolts, then alpha is equal to 0.7. Are you getting? Sheetal? Or repeat once again. Simply you have to go on page number 33. There below that formula they have written everything. Okay, so we got the value of alpha here 0.8, and we got the net area, that is we have calculated in step number 2. Now calculate the strength TDN. So TDN is equal to 0.8 into AN. AN is I think 1168 into FU. FU is 410. Then gamma M1 is 1.25.
306.48
306.48 kilonewton. Now here one more very important thing you have to keep in mind. This AN, this AN is for one angle or two angle?
2 angle.
Others please. 1168 हा आपण स्टेप नंबर 2 मध्ये कॅल्क्युलेट केलेला जो नेट एरिया आहे, दिस इज फॉर 1 or 2 angle?
2.
Triangle.
Two angles.
Triangle.
So need not to multiply here 2. लक्षात येते का सगळ्यांच्या? बघा, आपण हा नेट एरिया जो आहे तो स्टेप नंबर 2 मध्ये 1168 हा मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2 करून केलेला आहे. आता म्हणजे तिथं डबल अँगल साठी आपण नेट एरियाला मल्टिप्लाय केलं होतं, आता इथं करायचं नाही. सो दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग हिअर. अदरवाइज तुम्हाला काय करायला पाहिजे मग? या एन च्या ठिकाणी काय यूज करायला पाहिजे मग? 5 किती सांगितलं होतो?
584.
हा 584 सांगितलं होतं. सो इफ जर तुम्ही एन इज इक्वल टू 584 यूज केलं तर तुम्ही मल्टिप्लाय करू शकता इथं 2 ने. अदरवाइज नो. So here this AN is with multiplication of 2. So this is the net area of 2 angle. So now need not to multiply here 2. लक्षात येते का सगळ्यांच्या? बघा, हा नेट एरिया आपण जो कॅल्क्युलेट केलाय 1168 हा 2 मल्टिप्लाय करून आलेला एरिया आहे, म्हणजे दोन्ही अँगल साठी. त्यामुळे आता ह्या 306 ला परत मल्टिप्लाय 2 न करायचं नाही. आणि जर तुम्हाला 2 न मल्टिप्लाय करायचं असेल तर इथं 1168 च्या ठिकाणी 584 वापरावं लागेल. दिस इज द फॉर सिंगल अँगल. दिस AN इज 584 फॉर वन अँगल. So that we have to use here and then multiply 2. Otherwise this is for 2 angle, so need not to multiply by 2 here. लक्षात आलं सगळ्यांच्या? This step is very important here. Multiply by 2 or not, because this AN is already multiplied by 2. This AN we have calculated in step number 2 and that we have multiplied by 2 already. So here not multiplied by 2 for this answer. Are you getting everyone? Okay. So this is the 306.48 kilonewton is the design strength to the rupture. Next. Step number 5. Next step number 5. What is step number 5? Calculate design strength due to block shear. Calculate design strength due to block shear. Okay. Again, these formulas are available on page number TDB1 and TDB2. Write down these two formulas. What is here? AVG into Fy divided by under root of 3 gamma m naught plus 0.9 ATN into Fy or Fu divided by gamma m1. Second formula is 0.9 AVN into Fu divided by under root of 3 gamma m1 plus ATG Fy divided by gamma m naught. So these are the two design strength due to block shear. So here, before this step number 5, we have to calculate number of bolts, because here number of bolts are required. Or we have assumed here 4 bolts, so we have to take 4 bolts. We have assumed 4 bolts, so we will take 4 bolts. ओके, आपण काय केलं, 4 बोल्ट अज्युम केले आणि अल्फाची व्हॅल्यू घेतली ना, तर आपण मग 4 बोल्ट आहेत असं कन्सिडर करू इथं. आर यू गेटिंग? ओके. किंवा आपल्याला बोल्ट पण काढता येतील, नंबर ऑफ बोल्ट्स. सो I will draw here figure of block shear for single angle, and then we will multiply by 2 here. Are you getting? Because double angle. So same figure I will draw here. So we have assumed 4 bolts. Are you getting, everyone? This is the 1 pitch, 2 pitch, 3 pitch, and this is edge distance. Now again here, this is the thickness. So this is depth. We have connected 75 mm leg depth. So this is the W1. So this is the W1. Are you getting? You have to now we have to calculate the AVG, AVN. Initially we will calculate this. So what is formula for AVG? Gross area in shear. So N into P plus E. So thickness, here thickness of angle, T is thickness of angle, which thickness is given? 6 mm thickness is given. So this is the 6 mm thickness. So 6 into N into P, number of pitch into P. So how many number of pitch here?
3.
1, 2, and 3. If 4 bolts are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bolts are there, 3 pitch are there. As I have told you, 2 bolts असतील तर 1 pitch, 3 bolts असतील तर 2 pitch, 4 bolts असतील तर 3 pitch, 5 bolts असतील तर 4 pitch. म्हणजे जेवढे number of bolts त्याच्यापेक्षा एक pitch कमी. So pitch here, N is the number of pitch and P is the pitch distance. So here we have not calculated pitch distance. Before that we will calculate pitch distance and पहिल्यांदा अगोदर pitch distance and edge distance आपण calculate करू. Here that we here required. So here pitch distance, P is equal to this pitch and edge distance. So how to calculate pitch distance? Step number, chapter number 2 मध्ये आपण calculate केलं pitch distance. 2.5 into D naught. So 2.5 into D naught is 20. So pitch is 50 mm. Now we have to calculate edge distance. How to calculate edge distance? 1.5 into DH. So 1.5 into DH, diameter of bolt hole, is 22. So this is 33 mm. Are you getting? Now we have to calculate AVG. So I have drawn this last problem. In the last problem, last to last problem number second मध्ये हे खूप व्यवस्थित मी तुम्हाला sketch draw करून दिलं. So this is the length into thickness. This length into thickness is the gross area and shear. So this is one pitch, this is second pitch, this is third pitch, and this is edge. So this part, हा जो वरचा part आहे, this part is under shear and that part is cut here. In the block shear failure, this is the topmost part. This part is cut from this section. Are you getting? हा जो shaded part आहे, this shaded part is cut from this whole section, from this bolt line. Are you getting, everyone? So this length into this thickness, this is the thickness. So this length into thickness is the gross area and shear. So this length is N into P, means number of pitch into pitch distance plus E. So this length and into thickness, this is the thickness. We got the area. Okay, now 6 into number of pitch, 3 into pitch distance. P is the pitch distance and N is the number of pitch. एक गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या, N into P, N into DH. What is meaning of this? कोण सांगेल मला? N into P and N into DH. This is this N into P. This numbers of pitch and P is the pitch distance. Are you getting, everyone? N म्हणजे नंबर, कशाचे नंबर? पिचचे नंबर. तसंच इथं N म्हणजे नंबर, कशाचे नंबर? डायमीटर ऑफ होलचे नंबर. सो हे लक्षात आलं पाहिजे, जिथं N इंटू काही व्हॅल्यू असेल ती N म्हणजे ते पिच असतात 1 2 3 and P is the pitch distance. Similar here, N is the number of bolt or number of rows. कशाचे number of rows? Diameter होलचे. So that you have to keep in mind. येते का लक्षात? Okay, so 3 into pitch distance is 50 and edge distance is E is equal to here 33. So calculate the gross area. Ah, 3 into 50, 150 plus 33 into 6. How much?
1098.
1098 mm square is the area. This is the area. Now next area, AVN. 1980 is the gross area in shear. AVG, meaning of this AVG, this is the shear plane in this angle where the shear load is coming. This angle have greater length this side. या अँगलला इकडच्या बाजूला खूप लेंथ आहे. Okay, now AVN, the formula is same, just we have to deduct the holes. So T into N into P plus E, this is the same, only we have to deduct minus, what we have to minus? N into DH. That we have to minus. Now this is the 1098 ही जी व्हॅल्यू आलेली आहे, म्हणजे 6 into 3 into 50 plus 33 minus minus. Now here n into dh, net area. So we have to deduct these holes. Now how many holes here we have to deduct? See this figure, see. This is one hole, this is second hole, this is third hole, and length from here, this to this is the our length. So this is the extra bolt is there that will come into tension. So this how much here, Ian?
3.5. 3.5.
I have told you 4 bolts असतील तर या ठिकाणचा N असतो तो 3.5. जर 5 bolts असतील तर 4.5. If 6 bolts are there, 5.5, because the half bolts is in tension here. म्हणजे इथला जो इकडच्या बाजूचा हाफ बोल्ट आहे तो टेन्शन मध्ये जातोय. So this bolt goes in tension. So this is the whole bolt here. So this half bolt, this line, this half bolts is in shear and other half bolts is in tension. So here we have to deduct only 1, 2, 3 and this half. So 3.5 bolts we have to deduct. 1, 2, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3 and this is number 4 but half. Are you getting? So here 3.5, total 4 bolts are there and diameter of bolt hole is 22. Calculate.
636 mm square.
636 mm square. 636 mm square is the AFEN. एवढं सोपं पुस्तकात तर दिलेलं नाहीये ज्या पद्धतीने आपण हे फिगर आणि जे हे ड्रॉ करून करतोय. तुम्ही बघू शकता तुमच्याकडे जर पुस्तक असतील तर, किंवा नसेल तरी पण the best book for this subject is Limit State Design Structures by S.K. Dougal. डुगलचं सगळ्यात बेस्ट बुक आहे आपल्या सब्जेक्ट साठी. S.K. Dougal.
Sir,
हाँ
636 येत नाही आन्सर.
किती येते?
1021 येते.
Okay, see my camera. Here, this is the book. निळ्या कलरचं हे असं कव्हर असलेलं डिझाइन ऑफ स्टील स्ट्रक्चर, लिमिटेड बाय डिझाइन ऑफ स्टील स्ट्रक्चर, ऑथरचं नेम आहे एस के डुगल. दिस ब्ल्यू कलर बुक यू हॅव टू यूज. खाली नाव लिहिलेलं आहे त्या बारकोडच्या खाली त्या एस के डुगलचं नाव दिसत नाहीये, बट दिस इज द बुक, लिमिटेड डिझाइन टू स्टील स्ट्रक्चर्स असं खाली लिहिलेलं आहे आणि एस के डुगल. आर यू गेटिंग एव्हरीवन? सो दिस बुक इज यू हॅव टू यूज. what answer?
1021 येते.
1021. This please 1098 is the gross area. So 22 into 3.6 means 66 किती येते हे? तेवढं मायनस व्हायला पाहिजे बघा फक्त 98 पासून. करेक्ट आय थिंक. what you are told? 1021.
हा झालं एवढं.
Okay, mm square is the shear area.
तर
हा,
ती थिकनेस आहे ती सर्व ह्याला मल्टिप्लाय पाहिजे ना.
कशाला?
टी आत लिहिलेलं आहे ब्रॅकेट कंसामध्ये, टी इंटू एन इंटू.
करेक्ट. सगळ्याला पाहिजे मल्टिप्लाय. राईट. करेक्ट. वन जस्ट मिनिट. बघा मी फॉर्म्युला काय चेंज करतोय ते फक्त ही जी ब्रॅकेट आहे. करेक्ट. हे पूर्णपणे पाहिजे, बरोबर आहे का? असं पाहिजे.
येस सर.
प्लीज. थँक्यू फ्रेंड. सगळ्याला मल्टिप्लाय पाहिजे हे, बिकॉज दिस इज द लेंथ आणि हे जे आहे ह्याला थिकनेसने मल्टिप्लाय केलेलं नाही, अदरवाईज याला थिकनेसने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागेल. म्हणजे ही टर्म आहे ना, इथं पण टी पाहिजे, डीएच इंटू टी पाहिजे, देन दिस इज करेक्ट. अदरवाईज 6 हा पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर पाहिजे आणि ही टर्म आतमध्ये पाहिजे. करेक्ट. नाव हाऊ मच?
636.
636. करेक्ट. थिकनेस आलीच नाही ना त्याच्यामध्ये. 22 इंटू 3.5 फक्त हा होल केला, पण त्याला थिकनेसनी मल्टिप्लाय केलं नाही, त्यामुळे तेवढा एरिया अजून मायनस व्हायला पाहिजे.
36.
करेक्ट. हा टी आहे तो बाहेर पाहिजे. करेक्ट. सो दॅट द फॉर्म्युला हा व्यवस्थित करा. जो काय आपण फॉर्म्युला इथे घेतलेला आहे तो हा ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर टी पाहिजे. ओके. नाव सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात आलं का हे टी बाहेर का पाहिजे? कारण का एन इंटू डी एच याला पण काहीतरी थिकनेस आहे ना होलला. सो दॅट हिअर थिकनेस वी हॅव नॉट ऍडेड, दॅट थिकनेस इज आउटसाइड. सो नाव नेक्स्ट इज दी ATG, gross area in tension. So gross area in tension, that formula T into as I have told you D minus W1. मला मी सांगितलं होतं म्हणजेच काय, D minus W1. I will draw here separate. This is your sketch. So this is the depth. So here this is the tension area. So this depth into this thickness, this depth into this thickness is the tension area. So here this is W1. So D minus W1, we will get this D1. This whole D minus W1. W1 कुठेपर्यंत आहे? इथपर्यंत आहे. आपल्याला ही डेप्थ कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. This depth into this thickness is the tension area. So this overall depth D minus this W1, we will get this D1. So D1 into T, we will get this area in tension. The shaded area here, this is under the tension. So I have written this formula. This T into D minus W1. This distance is D minus W1. So here thickness is T 6 mm, D 75 minus W1. How to calculate W1? W1
60% of length of connecting leg.
connected leg. So 60% म्हणजे 60 divided by 100. Connected leg is 75. 60% length of connected leg. So D, this overall D is 75. And this is the connected leg. So 75 out of 60% of this 75. So 60 divided by 100 into how much this area?
180. 180.
180 mm square. Again, next is the ATN. So for ATN, again this T is T upon बाहेर घेऊ. D minus W1 minus 0.5 into DH. So this is the formula for net area in tension. So already D minus W1 is there. Minus we have to deduct this half bolts. This half bolts we have considered 3.5 bolts consider here and half bolt is here, this side. This is half bolt in tension. So that we have to deduct here. Understood this formula? D minus